Hello everyone, welcome to Autobits. This is our login screen. Over here, you have to enter your credentials, email ID, and password. Once you do log in, you will able to see how many number of assets are connected to this platform. Over here, 22 assets are connected. Around 22 assets, 17 machines are online and 5 machines are offline. And you will able to see the live data, like what is the productive time, what is the part count, whether your cycle status is on or off, the last 6-hour analytics. The green is the productivity, yellow means the machine is in idle. So you will able to generalize, see all the machine data. Now I will show you how to generate a daily CNC reports. In this, you have to navigate to the analysis and the report section, and then you have to select the daily CNC report. Okay, and you can generate your report however you want. Like, you can select the start time and end time of the report, and you can generate the report. When your report is generated, you will able to see the OEE analytics. Over here, you will able to see the OEE availability, performance, quality. You will also get the shift-wise analytics, shift 1, shift 2, cumulative of a day. So you will get a total OEE overview. And over here, you will get an MHR loss. So what is MHR loss? So MHR is like machine hour rate. Like, for example, if your machine hour rate is 1,000 rupees and your machine is idle for 2 hours, your machine hour loss will be 2,000 rupees. Over here, you will get net production versus the target. What was the target? It will be automatically calculated as per the cycle time defined in the master. Over here, you will able to get machine on time, cycle on time, loading time, idle time. Over here, you will able to see the first cycle delay and last cycle rush of your machine. Over here, your machine started 30 minutes after the shift started. Your shift started at around 7:30, and your first cycle started at around 8. So it is showing 30 minutes late machine started. You will also get average cycle time, average loading time, net production. If you have entered rejections, you will also get the rejection also. Over here, it is showing the planned downtime and unplanned downtime cumulative data. In time analysis, as I said before, yellow is idle, green is productivity, and before is the bifurcation of the downtimes. As you can see in this legends, over here, operator inspection tool, insert, change, break. So these are the bifurcation of the downtimes. Also, you will get in cumulative operator of the downtime also over here. Okay, and over here, it's in part performance also, like what was the quantity, what was the target. Operator-wise performance, you will get which operator was there, how much did he make, and what was its target. Hourly-based part count was there. So in which shift, how many number of pieces were being made. In time distribution, you will get the cycle on time and the idle time hourly basis of a complete day. This is in time distribution. Over here, you will able to get the on time, productive time, and the downtime bifurcation. In on time, you will get the cycle time, loading time. And in downtime also, we have category of planned downtime, unplanned downtime. So you will able to figure out what is the percentage of planned versus unplanned. In cycle time analysis, you will get that whether your cycles are consistent or not. As you are able to see, all your cycles are consistent. In shift 1, it is most consistent. And in shift 2, as you are able to see, over here below are the mostly defective cycles, as you can consider it. And also you will get a tool usage. What is tool usage? Yeah, like for example, in like turret number 6 was been running for 216 minutes in a complete day. So this is in cumulative period of in tool usage. The feed override and spindle override, like knob was there on which particular section, like 100% it was feed override was on 100%. Over here in spindle override, 50% feed was spindle override was on 50% for 5 minutes. And at the last, you will get the part analysis. Which part was there? What was the duration? What was the actual cycle time? actual loading time versus master cycle time versus master loading time. So this is a complete overview of a report, which you can analyze in our platform. Thank you for choosing Autobits Labs.